Lisa, I have the hiccups, so I'm gonna go get a big ale. I'm gonna go get a big breeze of ale. Because I have the hiccups. The hiccups! Yeah, I'm good now.